Hey guys, it's Pete from TG Wellbeing. One of the services that we offer, our primary reason for being here at TG Wellbeing, is to help you balance your inside because it shows on the outside. One of the ways that we do that is through monitoring your blood work. It's super important that you have your blood work monitored on a regular basis. And the reason is, the doctor or educated and experienced healthcare practitioner, health professional can take your blood work and see really what's going on the inside. We can monitor all of the different systems of your body, whether it be a cardiovascular system, your respiratory system, your kidneys, your liver, everything going on in the inside that's going to impact you on the outside. We can also see potential risk factors for future disease and future health complications. This is super important because this allows us to be able to help you live not only a healthier life now and in the future, but also to help you optimize so you can live that high performance lifestyle that you want to live. Working with a healthcare provider or a physician like here at TG Wellbeing, somebody who can monitor what's going on the inside, we can help you optimize all of your body systems so that everything is working together in a package to help you achieve your goals and help you look good on the outside, if that's your goal, by maintaining a balance of what's going on the inside. So remember, get your blood work checked on a regular basis with a physician or a healthcare professional that knows and has experience, can help guide you along the path to helping you not only be healthy, but actually optimize yourself so you can live that high performance lifestyle. It's Pete from TG Wellbeing, and we'll see you in the next video.